Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Jack Scalfani here, still putting away, and I am very excited about what we're doing today. So simple, so easy, and so handy. Are you guys ready? Alright, so I'm going to show you up close what we got here and why I've done 1,000,000 egg cookers, but this one's different. So come on in close. This right here is called the egg pod. Why? Well, obviously it looks like a pod. But anyway, it not only cooks your eggs, like hard boils, right? But takes care of one of the most annoying processes of peeling your eggs. And we're gonna demonstrate how this cooks and peels your eggs all on the same device. And if this works, I recommend everybody get this. All right guys, first thing we're doing is putting 4 eggs in. It's got little divots so your eggs fit right in there. And then you're going to take this cup that they gave you and fill it properly for soft boil, hard boil, whatever you want. I'm doing hard boil, so I'm putting this amount in and just pour it right in. Okay, see these sides here that go up and down? Leave them down and put your lid on top. Place it right in there. And then when the lid comes up, like that, see that's in lock position. That one is not locked, so you want to make sure you get that side locked. Both sides are locked. Now it's, I hope this thing doesn't explode on me like things have in the past. So this is going in the microwave, and it says to put it in for 9 minutes. So we're going to place this in there for 9 minutes. Read all your instructions. Okay guys, now this device is already in the microwave going for 9 minutes, and I just want to tell you, once it's done, turn off your microwave and let it sit there for 2 minutes. Do not grab it with your hands. Get some pot holders, get some pot gloves, but it has to rest for 2 minutes after it's done cooking, and then bring it over to the sink because we're going to need water in a minute. Okay, we let it cool for 2 minutes in the microwave, pulled it out carefully, place it in your sink, and remove the lid carefully too, so there's no steam burn, okay? It's already been cooled. So then take cold water and run it on those eggs for 2 minutes. And just let it overflow. Okay, now once you've cooled it off with running water for 2 minutes, go ahead and stop your water. Now as you can see, there's still water in the container. Leave it and put your lid back on and lock it down. Okay, here's the exciting part. You ready? It says to only shake it up and down 10 times, but I don't believe it's only gonna take 10 times. So we're gonna do it 20 times, okay? So go ahead and shake it up and down. The instructions say 10 times, but we're doing 20. Go ahead. Vigorously, vigorously. All right, so just to ensure that this device, I don't want it to fail because we didn't shake it enough. That's why we shook it twice as many times. So we should be able to take our fingers and gently just take the shell right off. You guys ready? Let's just grab one and see how it works. Look at that. It just comes right off the egg. There you go. 4 perfectly peeled and cooked hard-boiled eggs. They're beautiful. They're all intact, no breaks. Here's all your garbage right there. That was awesome. So I totally recommend this product. I will have a link down below. I am so glad I purchased this. I think it was $10 or $20. I don't even remember. But I'll have it down below. You can check it out yourself. This is a great gift. This is great if you don't have anything to give anybody and you want to just pick up something inexpensive. This device will be used a lot in my kitchen. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like the egg pod like I do. And we're going to take these now on the next video and show you how to make egg salad. You guys ready?